Yes, start. I do not know much about international law, but every person who has to dabble in public affairs inevitably comes up against it and has to take the advice of experts full stop. I have a vague recollection that connected with this idea of international law, there were at various times in the history of Europe concepts like the Holy Alliance, a certain number of countries binding themselves together for various reasons against other countries or other forces which did not go along with their thinking full stop. That of course is contrary to the very concept of internationalism full stop. Today we see certain tendencies of the rival of Holy Alliance full stop. They are not called by that name, but certain groups of nations function more or less on the basis of the Holy Alliance idea full stop. They consider themselves the center of the world and expect other countries to fall in line full stop. This may have some justification, but it does not put these other countries in an embarrassing position full stop. Either one joins the Holy Alliance or one is outside the pale of international law in a sense full stop. The emergency of Asian and African countries as independent nations and this return to the Holy Alliance idea make it important that concepts of international law should be examined closely full stop. Next stanza. Let us take the United Nations full stop. I think it was supposed to be an international organization inclusive of all the independent nations of the world full stop. There is a tendency, however, to regard it as something less than that, a tendency which I suppose emanates from the Holy Alliance idea full stop. This in turn has affected other problems also full stop. Politicians and statesmen who discuss such problems are naturally influenced by their political approach, and so we do not get what might be called a scholarly object estimate full stop. Further, it so happens that what we generally get is the non-Asian or non-African side full stop. I respect that side, but it is possible that the scholars of that might not bear in mind some aspects which would be obvious to Asian scholars and jurists full stop. Therefore, it is desirable that the various aspects of international law should be considered objectively and in a scholarly manner by the eminent layers and jurists of Asia and Africa full stop. Nowadays, many words and phrases are used the dictionary meaning and significance of which have changed completely in the hands of politicians, that is people of my tribe full stop and over.